Hey y'all, welcome back. It's the next day. Last time you guys saw us, we were at Epic. Today, we're just doing some shopping as if we already haven't done enough.
We went to this place.
We went to a place called Ebisu Life Store. Basically like a Miniso on steroids, and it's Japanese. And it has so many cool things. It has so many blind boxes, so many Japanese snacks. They have Sunny Angels, the whole 9 yards, a whole bunch of anime stuff. Which, what are the odds? I'm literally wearing my anime merch today. Probably gonna visit here every time we come to Orlando now. So just wanted to show you a haul of what we got, and we're gonna do some unboxings and stuff. I'll let Brandon go first so that way he can show you what he got.
Little capybara for our friend Chris.
For Trippy Chris, go subscribe to Trippy Chris.
It's like, loved capybara, and I think his profile pic on YouTube is
Yes.
a capybara. Next, we got these little like thingies. Open your.
So what are they called? Gotchas. We got these little gotchas.
They definitely got us because they were expensive.
Yeah, they were more expensive than what we thought they were going to be, but that's
We
the
thought
life.
it was like one token.
I got a Spy Family one, and we got Anya in our first one. She's so cute. This is definitely going on my car keys because it's durable enough where it will last on my car
Mine is
keys.
Shinobu. Oh, the material one. Sam's other one is like a little, what is it called?
A Macron. They're
A
Demon
Macron.
Slayer Macrons.
Hers is Obanai. We got a blind box of Pokemon.
Here's my Oveneye. Let's pull them out. Show the camera.
Sorry, I'm like fidgeting with this thing over here. A lot of different options. You can get these guys here, which are, you can get Pikachu with a Mew. You can get Mewtwo, Lapras, Charizard, Blastoise, and Venusaur. And I got the Venusaur!
He's so cute! You got one too,
was
right,
holding
Rose?
them.
I got the Lantern Diorama one. I really want the Pikachu and Pikachu right here. The Charmander one. I want to get that. Honestly, this guy's pretty goated. And then on this side,
I'm gonna put it together.
Chandela.
I mean, for the most part, things are like normally priced for a Japanese, like imported store. So I wasn't shocked at the prices, but some things were indeed a little overpriced. Oh,
I got the one I wanted!
period. So I'm gonna show you some of the anime things that I got. Badge, mystery box of Attack on Titan. You know me, if I see an Attack on Titan merch, I have to grab it just because it's like non-existent everywhere you go. Obviously, what we want is Levi, but I'll be happy, honestly, with any of them. Hanji is also in this box. Hanji is very rare to get in any type of Attack on Titan merch. We'll open that in a second. Got this Levi sticker where he's dressed like a little sorcerer with some tea. Very cool. Very fresh. It's Levi. This acrylic Zenitsu keychain, which is very nice. Look at this thing. It's so cute. Let's go ahead and unbox this right now. Okay, let's see which one we got.
Oops, I almost dropped them.
Ready, ready, ready? I'm scared. I'm scared.
I don't know.
Yes! I got Levi! Oh my gosh! Screaming, crying, throwing up. I got my Pookie. This is my Pookie. I love Levi. Praise God.
Oh,
The
I
Lord
have
loves
it
me.
upside down.
And then we also got one Sunny Angel and one Hipper Sanrio. We got the vegetable series and we got a Sanrio Hipper. Let's go ahead and let's open the vegetable series first. Look at how cute. Here are the options you can get from the Sunnies. We are looking for the carrots. Let's open it up. Okay, that was a lame pop.
This is so cool. No, we all got it.
Okay, ready? Which one did we get?
Thank you
It's
for
not
offering
one of
that.
the ones I want. I think I got the corn. I got the corn! We got the corn Sunny Angel and Rio Hipper. Here are all the options you can get. And show it the camera.
Clicky.
Okay, let's see who we got. Oh gosh. We got Melody.
It's not focusing on her.
We got my Melody. She's cute because she's pink, and I'm on a the color pink kick right now, so we're happy with her. She's cute.
Oh.
Today's pools.
B got this.
Canal.
A few moments later.
This is our last thing before we leave.
Yeah, we milked the heck out of this trip. We went to POPMART, Miniso, and Uniqlo. So we're gonna do a little haul, and then I'm gonna do an unboxing. So I just got some snacks from Miniso. I got some honey butter chips. I don't know. I saw honey and I was like, okay. And I also got some Demon Slayer Sonomy mochi, vanilla flavored. I saw the calorie count on this thing and I was like, wow, only 60 calories per serving, and one serving is 8 mochi. So I was like, wow, there's like no calories in this. The Rengoku sparkling water, and it's mango flavored.
Rengoku piss.
Only got it because it's mango flavored. If it would have been any other mango flavor, I would not have gotten it. So
any other mango flavor?
I mean, any other, dog, I'm cooked. Any other flavor, I would not have gotten it. Boxes that we got from POPMART. We got a princess little thing. Brandon got me this one. SpongeBob Best Friends, right? Best Friends, yep. Yoda, we're all stars. I've been looking at this blind box forever. I was trying to get a whole pack on TikTok shop and couldn't get it. So let's unbox the blind boxes first. Okay, ready? Tab. Is the card coming out? Okay.
It's a cool one.
It is? Honest.
It's Mulan.
Oh, it's Mulan. It's Mulan.
Oh, you saw the card line?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are so cute.
We got Mulan. Okay, first pool. I really like this series, so here are all the options you can get. Let's do the next one.
The bell?
Look it up.
Something with a flower.
The rose. Wait, is that secret?
No, she's...
This one has a few pieces. Oh my goodness, so cute! Which one is that one?
Wait. Oh! The secret
Sanctuary
is bell.
Star.
Yeah.
Sanctuary Star.
For winter wear. It's bell.
Amazing. Beautiful pool. So I will be happy with any of them, but I specifically picked this one up because it felt and sounded like it had wheels, so I think it's the paddy wagon. So I really want the paddy wagon. And then the secret is both of them, but definitely the paddy wagon is what we're hoping for. Purple. Okay. Oh, I got Patrick. He's so freaking adorable.
It's my mom. This is my first POPMART, like, official, like... My first ever, like, official, like, POPMART. Went to the store, bought it, unboxing. I'm so excited. Hirono Le Petit Prince. And I'm happy with any of them, honestly. I really want the fox, the king. We have the fox, the king. Then we also have the rose. These are all cool, so I really don't mind any. The secret's super cool. This one was the heaviest from the whole pack, so I'm curious to see what it is. Anyways, hello, chat. Hold up. I didn't see it. Grab secret first pull. No.
Oh, the little prince.
Oops.
She got the prince.
Yippee!
You wanna know what you got?
What did you get?
The super secret.
What?
Oh, shoot!
This is the super secret.
I just said it. I said it at the store. I was like, what if I pull it first?
I saw the card. Look, I saw the card and I was looking. I was like, he's not here. Then I see the figure. The super secret.
Not even the secret. The super secret.
1
Rose.
out of 144.
Rose.
I've gotten.
This has been a good
I have
pull
gotten
day.
all the ones I wanted. The Pokemon. Now
Look. That he holds a little cloud.
And there's a rose on the moon.
That's insane.
Oh, no words.
I'm going to buy a lottery ticket.
Look,
At the store, I'm like, how crazy would it be if I got the super
your
secret?
pulls have been good today.
You've had really good pulls today.
I know.
I've never gotten a secret.
That is
So
insane.
awesome. There's like no words in this car
I'm in
right
shock.
Sam literally gets like the worst pulls, and Rose is just like first try.
Doesn't even try.
1 out of 40. 144.
144.
Not even 44. 144. That is crazy.
Actually insane.
I'm literally in shock right now. What?